At our school, we don't just learn from textbooks.
What do we call?
We also join hands-on activities. One of the best lessons is our English class, the Rooftop Aviary, where we can see many different birds. There is a budgie, a parrot, a pheasant, a starling, and a rooster. When we look around the aviary, we can also see budgies, parrots, pheasants, starlings, and roosters. Near the birds, there is a koi pond with a koi fish swimming inside. But there are also many koi fish in the pond, and they are very colorful. Before going to the rooftop, our teacher showed us how to use the elevator safely and how to line up in an orderly way. Then, we took turns exploring the koi pond and observing the birds in the aviary. We played fun games, practiced new vocabulary, and learned more through real examples. It was a wonderful experience, and we made many great memories together.
Very clever bird. It said, listen English, please. No Vietnamese. English.
Together
Okay, it's a place where birds can live. Right, say it for me. Aviary. Everybody together. Aviary. Okay, and this is the place where the fish live. It's called a fish pond. Fish pond.
Hearts so kind, they help us learn, they shape our minds, we laugh, we share, we do our part, with love and care we pass
Koi fish.
each day. I'm singing that dreams of school, learning kindness rules, we dream of peace, we dream of life, a world where every heart shines.
What did we use? Okay. Elevator. Elevator. Elevator.
Each lesson brings the future.
I want to tell you the word where all of these words live. This place where we are now, with a cave. You know what it's called? It's called an aviary. So this whole place here,
We're all connected. We share our hearts, our hands. Together we will understand.
what is this for? No?
I'm singing that dreams of school. We're learning kindness rules. We dream of peace. We dream of life.
Okay,
We're friends from every
this place where we have birds living. A place where we have birds living. No? Okay, it's an aviary. Everybody together. Aviary. So this place where we see all the birds is called aviary.
I'm a student at tree to school where learning, spread, and kindness rules. We dream of peace, we dream of light, a world where every heart shines bright. With friends from every land, we say, let's build a better world today. Finding our home, our pride in this our city. Dreams take flight. We'll grow with grace, both brave and true, for a peaceful world, for me and you.
Elevator.
I'm singing that dream to school, dream of dream of life, dream of and we say, let's build a better world.
Make the noise like
I'm
a
singing
cat.
that dream to school, dream of
He's a pheasant.
I'm singing that dream to school, dream of
Pheasant, parrot, starling, rooster. So try and remember those 4 birds. Now, let's go and have a look.